Even if the pet owner is like,
yeah, Dan, I recorded the entire thing. I saw 8 grapes, and there's 8 right there.
well, if that happened, I probably wouldn't do this, but that never happens. Hi guys, my name's Dan, and I'm a veterinarian, and today we're going to cover if grapes and raisins are toxic for dogs, and if so, how serious is it? So it's really common. I would say once a week, someone's calling me,
Hey, Dr. Dan, my dog just ate a couple grapes. Or a whole loaf of raisin bread.
this kind of stuff happens, nothing to be ashamed about. The first thing any pet owner should do is call their veterinarian, because yes, grapes and raisins can be and are toxic to doggies. Now, there's not a lot of literature out there about how many grapes and what to expect with the quantity of grapes and how big the doggy is. But what we do know is that every dog's different, and some dogs will have significant effects from eating a grape or a raisin. Grapes in doggies will usually cause first some GI signs. You may see some vomiting, some diarrhea, a lot of abdominal pain and discomfort, and the doggy may be a little lethargic. Now, if the grapes have time to be metabolized, enter into circulation, in some doggies you can have significant kidney damage. That may lead from the dog panting while drinking a bunch of water, peeing a lot, progressing into not peeing at all if we have severe acute kidney damage or kidney failure. So if we move into kidney disease or kidney failure from the grapes, you'll start seeing those original signs like the vomiting, the diarrhea, the lethargy, the weakness, and it will be amplified because all the toxins and the inability of the kidneys to work will lead to significant GI signs, and also will probably and can lead to death if the kidneys don't recover. What should the pet owner do right away? Call the veterinarian. Like I just said, I'll be working doing my thing and someone will call and be like,
Hey, Dr. Dan, my dog ate a grape.
I don't care if it's 1 grape, 5 grapes, whatever. Call the veterinarian and then get the doggy in there ASAP. Because I make dogs throw up and I see a bunch of grapes come out then. A pet owner should never make their dog throw up at home. Always go in the veterinarian office because they will get it done efficiently, effectively, and safely. When a dog throws up, usually we see the grapes, the whole grapes, because they don't chew through, they just swallow those grapes. So you'll see those big old grapes in the vomit, and you know you've done a great job. And it's even better when a pet owner's like,
Yeah, Dan, my dog ate like 7.
and then I see 7 in the kitty litter box, it's clean guys, the clean kitty litter box the dog threw up into. I know we're okay, we're gonna be okay. The other thing I do, even if I see and count every single grape, even if the pet owner is like,
Yeah, Dan, I recorded the entire thing. I saw 8 grapes, and there's 8 right there.
well, if that happened, I probably wouldn't do this, but that never happens. So if a pet owner is like, I think that's all the grapes that were there, I don't care. I still give activated charcoal, and any veterinarian will. Activated charcoal is going to bind up any grape and toxins, and it just prevents them from being absorbed into the gut. So the vomiting gets them out, the activated charcoal binds them up. The less absorbed, the less problems we're going to have. Now, of course, if we progress into the really severe kidney issues, a veterinarian is going to start sweating and working really hard, and they're going to run some blood and see how the kidneys are doing, maybe some urine. They're going to check outflow of how much urine we're producing every day. They're going to throw an IV catheter in that arm. They're going to pump fluids, and they're going to try to save that doggy's life. I hate it when it gets to that point because I know I'm in for a real battle. The thing that I want to happen, I want the pet owner to come in right away. I want to decontaminate, and I want to win the battle early. If we're going to be in the trenches and we're going to be hospitalized because we waited too long, or if we just had a doggy that was really sensitive to grapes, that's when things get scary, and we really don't want to get to that point. So guys, if you have any stories or experiences with grapes, go ahead and let me know. Grapes and raisins, they're funny because you don't expect it to be a problem, but they really can be. If you have any stories of your own you want to share, drop them below. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you guys all have a great Christmas. Take care.